Should I become a lawyer to get rich? That's a question so many young lawyers ask themselves every other day. Or even aspiring lawyers who are looking up to other lawyers and they're aspiring to be a lawyer one day and are in the hope of getting rich. Because let's be honest, law school doesn't come cheap. Getting that law degree doesn't come cheap. You have to work really hard for it. Your parents have to pay off a lot of money just for you to be in college. In terms of tuition fees, in terms of your upkeep there in college, it doesn't come cheap. You've got bills, you've got dreams. You've seen the big names, the big lawyers driving fancy cars, wearing fancy suits, and you also wish to be like them one day. It's not a bad thing to dream, but here's a reality check for you. There's something which is not disclosed in that college brochure. When you read that college brochure or that college booklet, as you look into the requirements of law school, what is required of you and all that, there are some things that will not be disclosed there. There's nothing worse than a young lawyer who thinks they deserve it all. 6 figures, 7 figures, drive a fancy car, have an office with a great view just because they passed the bar. Absolutely nothing wrong in dreaming big. But here's the thing, or here's the catch. Being a lawyer isn't about looking like money, looking all flashy, looking all fancy and all that. Being a lawyer for me is about being the kind of person whose work creates value. Let your work speak for you. Let the value you bring into the society speak for you. And let people see the good work that you're doing so that they can come to you based on the value that you're giving back to the society. It's about showing up for people when their backs are against the wall. That family that has just been evicted from their home, you rush in to go and help. That mother who is just about to lose their child to another spouse, showing up for them, fighting for them, and delivering results. Being a lawyer is about building trust. And it takes time to build trust. You build trust case by case, brief by brief, until your name actually means something. Let when people hear your firm's name or your name as the lawyer, let them relate it to some value that you've injected into the society or you have given into the society. It might not be a big case that takes over national headlines, but at least build something for your client base. Let your client give you referrals. Look, I worked with that lawyer. He really delivered good results for me. His name speaks for himself. He gave me good work. He fought really hard for me on this case, and I really got what I wanted. I felt really frustrated. I thought I'd hit a dead end, but he managed to unlock all this for me. Build a name for yourself, case by case, brief by brief, that you receive from each and every client. Go all out when you receive brief from clients. Don't do your work half-heartedly. Instead of doing work half-heartedly, just decline the instructions. Take only instructions you can deliver and execute them with clarity, discipline, and strategic focus. Never compromise on the quality of your work. Clients don't hire you because you're flashy. Clients don't hire you because you have a lot of money. Clients hire you because you listen, you fight, and you deliver results for them. That's the only kind of reach that is going to last, fighting and working hard for your clients. So yes, it's true, practicing law can make you money, lots and lots of money. But that will only happen if you build a name for yourself and deliver real great value to the society. But if you're only here because you want to make money, trust me, you're going to burn out or you're going to sell out. Because building value or case by case takes time. And if you're here because you want to make that quick buck, quick money, and ride off into the sunset with the quick money you've made, you'll burn out. You'll sell out before you achieve that dream. It takes time to build yourself. They always say trust the process. Same thing with law. Trust the process. Take your time, learn the ropes, niche out on a practice area preferably, and focus fully on that in terms of delivering the best possible results for your clients. The money will come, but it should not be the only reason why you are studying or you want to pursue law, or it's the only reason why you're in the profession. I guarantee you're going to burn out fast. Final words for me: build a great practice, serve your clients well, the money will come naturally.